Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use prickly pears. So these are prickly pears. This is getting old because I've had it for a long time. I do have a video on my family channel on how to use prickly pear, how to make the juice. And prickly pear is also known as tuna plant, so you can call it tuna. It can be found in Southeast United States of America and Mexico, South America, and it's used in Jamaica. People use it to make jams and jellies and different things. It comes in different colors. We can use it for our hair. You can also consume it, as I said, and is a good source of vitamin C, antioxidants, vitamin A, B, E, copper, iron, magnesium, potassium, so many things. It's also, so people use it for shampoo, but today I'm going to show you how to make a leave-in conditioner with it. You can use it for so many hair growth remedies, hair serum, and also it fights against dandruff and it fights against hair its damage. So I'm doing a lot of different hair recipes from all over the world. If this has a ton of thorns, please wear a glove when you are cutting it. So the first thing that I did when I was trying to figure out how to use this was I went on Google and I searched for how to use prickly pear on your hair. And this is what I came up with. So what they said is that you're supposed to cut it and then just soak it in some water and cover it and shake it well. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to cut it up, let you guys see me cut it up, and I'm going to soak it and then later on transfer it to another container and then we can use it as our leave-in. So let's do this. So I have my cutting board, and the first thing they said, all you have to do is peel the fruit and cut it into pieces. So I'm going to peel this, and peeling it is very easy. It's not that, let me get my paper, it's not that hard to peel. Just watch out for thorns and things of that sort. So you can see when I'm peeling it, I'm removing all the skin from it. So you see, just peel it like that. It peels easily. So even if it looks as if it's rotting outside, it still is good. It's just the skin that is messing up. So once you peel it, this is what it looks like. And then you're just going to cut it into small pieces. Very small pieces, like that. And what you see here is you can see the seeds, the little seeds, which of course we're going to strain out. And as you cut it, it's like a mucousy, but not like aloe vera. It's just a bit mucousy. So this is going to be my first time using it in my hair, and I just want to see how it will turn out. So I've cut it into tiny pieces, and I'm just going to use my masher. Now while I was doing it, I told you guys about the thorns and a little bit pricked me on my fingers, so that's why I said wear a glove. But I didn't wear a glove this time, so I'm just going to mash it all up just to help it get into more smaller chunks, because I don't want to prick my finger again. So okay, so after I've mashed it up, I'm going to get some water, and I think I'm just getting about, I want to say about 3/4 to a quarter to 3/4 cup of water. I just put, yeah, so I kind of used about a quarter of water to start off with. So I'm going to let this stay, and I'm going to let it stay for about an hour, and then later on we'll come back and drain it and use it and test it out if it really works as a conditioner. done washing my hair, and the products that I use to shampoo and wash my hair are products from Heritage by Mindy McKnight, and I use their Gentle Daily Shampoo and also the Deep Moisture Restore Conditioner. And this is the leave-in conditioner. This is our Prickly Pear leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna spray it to my hair. Okay, and you just spray it, and the smell, it smells like, I don't know how to describe it. It's not a bad smell. It just smells like a pear. to be honest with you, it does smell like a pear. So I'm just spraying it really well on my hair, like that. I'm just using it. I'm going to use this mainly as my leave-in. So this is what it looks like. My hair, it adds a kind of like a hard feel, but then it's not so stiff. It's almost as if it's trying to, like, you know, like when you put a protein treatment, a very light protein treatment, that's how it feels. So I know I need something, so I'm just going to be very light. So I'm going to just put some almond oil, and almond oil helps with moisture, just to kind of balance off that moisture. I'm just going to put the almond oil, and I'm pretty much going to wear my hair out. I'm not going to do any styling like twisting. I'm just going to do like a wash and go, like a very lazy wash and go. So this is it. This is what my hair looks like, and very fluffy, and this is what it looks like after I put in that conditioner. I hope you guys give this a try. Always, I mean, I love trying different remedies from different countries, and this is my shape right now, the back. Okay, so thank you. Comment below if you've ever tried Prickly Pear on your hair. Thank you so much for watching, and guess what? I'll see you in another video. Don't forget, you can watch these videos, okay? It's okay. Just watch them. Thank you, and don't forget to click the subscribe button right over there. Bye. Click.